Hi friends, I'm Trek, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to get emotion emojis on your Google keyboard. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the emotion icons on your Google keyboard, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, install Google Keyboard or Gboard from the Play Store and just open the keyboard. So to insert the emotion emojis, you just click on this emoji section. Now you just need to swipe that side. You can see a lot of symbols here, and you can see this symbol. This is called emotion emojis. So here you can find smiling, love, hugging, and you can see a lot of things like surprise, dancing, and lot of different type of emojis. For an example, crying. You can get a different type of totally different type of emojis from here. So I just going to show in the notes here. So there is a lot of different emojis. For crying, you can see a lot of different emojis, and for nervousness you can have a different emojis, and for pointer you can have a different emojis, and for look everything you can see a lot of things out here to to surprise and surprise about the surprise and animals, and lot of to to have the emotions in the form of emojis. You can just share your emotions in the form of emojis using this particular hidden tips. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.